Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming 3 essentials: a valid email, a matching ID, and a reachable phone number. Once ready, open the official SSO registration portal and select Create New SSO ID. Make sure to use a secure device and private network so your credentials aren't intercepted. Next, enter your email and choose a strong, unique password. Don't reuse passwords from other sites. After that, request the verification code so you can move to identity verification without delay. Once you have the code, type it in immediately and proceed to the identity form. Accuracy matters because mismatches cause rejections. Then upload clear photos of the required documents, front, back, and a live selfie when prompted, to prove liveness. Make sure file sizes and formats meet the portal rules. After documents are accepted, configure multi-factor authentication. Choose SMS for speed or an authenticator app for stronger security. Finally, review every field and submit the verification request for processing. You finish by activating the account link sent to your email and noting the new SSO ID shown in the portal. Then test a full login cycle with your MFA method to confirm access works. Save recovery codes somewhere secure. If the system flags an issue, read the rejection reason carefully, correct the specific field or document, and resubmit. Resubmissions avoid starting from scratch. One troubleshooting tip: if document upload repeatedly fails, resize to required dimensions and use a different browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.